I just came back from Kaz, the crab stand, and he showed me how to clean soft-shell crabs. I'm going to show you now how to clean them. So, it's a 4-cut method. The first cut, right behind the eyes here. There's a little liquid sack you can push out. Next cut, he calls it the devil. Cut the devil out, the lungs. Cut the other side, that's the third cut. And the last cut is the bonnet. Put that up. And there's your cleaned soft shell crabs. So now you go down to the stand and buy yourself some soft shell crabs and clean them yourself.